If you have given the CAT examination and looking for the perfect B school to excel in the agribusiness sector, then your search ends here.
Hi, I am Ramit Datta from the batch PGDM-ABM 2024-26. What makes NIAM unique is its focus on practical learning and its strong industry connections in the agribusiness sector.
Learning here goes beyond textbook, preparing us for real-world challenges in agri-industry, and the mentorship which we get from experienced faculty is unmatched.
At NIAM, we celebrate cultural diversity and encourage exposure to different perspectives. Our current batch consists of students from 18 different states, 1 union territory and 38 universities, creating a truly enriching learning environment.
I'm Parmeet Singh from PGDM-ABM batch 2024-26. I choose NIAM because of its 100% placement record since inception and the incredible opportunities for the summer internship. It is a place where every student is set up for success.
Admissions are open for this year and we are taking through CAT score only.
Registrations are simple. Just visit our website, fill in your details and submit your CAT score.
The last date to apply is 26 February 2025 by 2 p.m. So don't miss out.
Hurry up
And grab the opportunity for a brighter future.